Hello friends, today I am going to show you Spigen Glass Align Master for Samsung Galaxy A73. So why wait my friends, let's open this up and do the steps. So first of all, let me tell you my friends, this is going to be a bit long video. Do bear my patience and do watch the video till the last to understand how to do it. First process is clean the desk totally. Wash your hands, and if you can use this type of hand sanitizer, it is also a very good thing to clean it again and again. So if you keep your hands clean, it is very easy to install a perfectly without any dust particles under your tempered glass. So this is the kit. As you can see here, we get one cleaning wipe and some cloths and stickers. This is the squeezy to squeeze out any of the air bubbles that we get, and this is the Easy Align Master kit. So this is gradually Spigen is making easier and easier for people to install their tempered glass at home, and I would suggest you to do that rather than going for the cheap tempered glasses which damage your screen touch digitizer. You better use these types of branded. Yes, you will be paying a bit high, but it will be one time my friends, and rest you can enjoy the product for a very long time. So I will be using this place as a base for installation because it will not damage the camera area. First of all, we'll take out one of the squeezy from here. Not squeezy, this is a lens cleaner. Let's see what we get. We get 2 numbers of cloths and 2 numbers of dust part removal. Yes, dust removal stickers, 2 numbers, and 2 numbers of lens cleaner. So we will using one, and we will keep one pair everything. So first of all, remove this and give a very good clean wipe. It's better to open it up a bit. Since I have recently unboxed this phone, and this is the same day, same night I'm making this phone's tempered glass installation, so I don't need to be very careful about it because the phone is brand new and it is in mint condition out of the box, so it will be very easier to install it now. And I will also advise you that when you buy a phone, do remember you purchase the tempered glass and keep it ready at your house. So the next step is use this soft cloth to clean the alcohol out of the displays. Since it is a very smooth cloth, you won't be able to notice if there is some dust particles under here. So I will be suggesting you to use the dust removal sticker. Use this big one. Go through the all sides my friends. Okay, it's all done. Let's check it out. Yes, no dust particles. Now we will install this. Okay, it's done. Now we will take out one of the tempered glass because we have 2. This is a 2-pack version. So as you can see here in the box, we get on your left side on the screen, you can see there are two tempered glass. This is one and this is two. This is the second one. So we will use one of the tempered glass to install here. Before that, to be very careful and clean, I will give another swipe of dust removal sticker, because installing this might have given some dust particles here. So to be in the safe side, I will do this again. So I see no dust particles here. Now we can go ahead with the installation of the tempered glass. So very carefully take it out, and as I always tell you, my friends, do face the tempered glass below, it's like facing down, and remove the back sticker. So this side is your camera side, this side is your bottom side. So we have removed it very carefully. Just press it here and slide it out. So as you can see here, the tempered glass is getting automatically adjusted with the flow. I'll give it from a few seconds. Then we will press it here, press in the middle like this, and remove this glider. Now what we will do, we will use this squeezy to squeeze out any of the rest of the air bubbles. So here is some air bubbles that we will push it out. Here are some air bubbles. Here are some air bubbles. As you can see here, this is an air bubble here. So you need to be a bit patient about it and remove it very carefully. So as you can see here, I have removed all the air bubbles except this one side. So as you can see here, all sides are done. Now you can remove this sticker. Voila! So it is done. So you can see the tempered glass installed. So it is so fine and so nice. See, you can see the tempered glass here. Yes, I'm unable. Yes, this is the tempered glass. It is fixed so perfectly and clean that we are unable to see. So the digitizer and everything looks nice, and the gaps are also perfectly aligned, as you can see here. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video for the installation of Spigen Align Master tempered glass screen protector for Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will share the link for this product in the description, and do subscribe my channel and stay safe. Bye bye.